In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Uber One membership through the web quickly and easily. Whether you've decided to consolidate your memberships or you're simply taking a break, this guide will walk you through each step you need to follow. We'll ensure you navigate this process smoothly, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. Just make sure you're connected to the internet. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Uber Eats website or the main Uber website, whichever you usually use. This will be our starting point for today. Once you're on the website, the next task is to log in. In the top right corner, you should see a sign in option. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your account information. Use your regular email and password that you have registered with Uber to access your account. If you happen to use a password manager, this will be even quicker. Just a quick reminder, ensuring your account credentials are secure and kept private is always a good idea. Now that you are logged in, we need to find your account settings. Look around the top right part of the page again, where you should see what's typically a profile icon. Clicking on this will reveal a menu, and you want to select either Profile or Account. Within your account settings, you should spot an option labeled Uber One. This is the section where all details about your membership are held. Clicking here will give you access to crucial information about your Uber One benefits and options related to its management. Once on the Uber One page, it's time to manage your membership. You'll want to look for a button or link that says Manage Membership. Clicking on this will present you with options and details regarding your current membership status. Now let's get into ending your membership. Scroll down to the bottom of the Manage Membership page. Here, you'll find the option to end membership. It'll ask you to confirm your decision, as this is an important step and Uber wants to make sure you're certain about canceling. To finalize this process, click End Membership again. And there you have it. Your Uber One membership is successfully canceled. Remember, it's always a good practice to double check for any confirmation emails or notifications just to ensure everything has been processed correctly. Whether you decide to rejoin at a later date or explore other options, you now have the peace of mind of knowing how to manage your memberships effectively. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out other videos for more helpful tips and guidance.